Good morning to every sweet one of you all. Welcome to the last video of 2022. We are wrapping up the Christmas vlog in today's video. Well, we started filming from Christmas Eve here, and this will be the last video of 2022. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have been a subscriber, thank you so much for a wonderful year of your support, and I look forward to going into 2023 with all of you. And if you're new and this is the first video you're seeing from me, hello, my name is Natay. You'll see my face here in a bit, but I would love to have you stick around if you enjoy mom life content, homemaking content, and vlogs. This is what I do here. So if you like what you're seeing, I would love to have you stick around. So hit the subscribe button and join the Nats fam. So let's get into what's happening in today's video. We are making salt dough. So this is one of the Christmas traditions that I really wanted to get into every Christmas once I started having kids. So obviously I did this last year for Aiden's first Christmas, and it's really just making some salt dough ornaments. So they're basically DIY homemade ornaments. You can get the recipe all over Google, but I'll link the one that I follow down in the description box below if you also want to make these. Basically it's some flour, a bunch of salt, and water. You knead it into a nice smooth dough, and you can cut it out into different shapes, and you can basically put your baby's handprint, footprint, or whatever it is that you fancy, and you can hang it on your tree. So that is what I'm doing right here. It did give me a bit of trouble because I'm new to all this. I'm not no pro at doing all of this DIY, so it takes time and patience. So yeah, let's make some salt dough footprints, handprints type of thing.
It's Christmas time. From this Christmas time, it's gone.
So right here, the cut out thing, like the cookie cutter and the cup, were like too small of a cutout, so I had to like put them back into the dough and roll it out again, and I had to like search the house to find something that was big enough to hold Aiden's handprint. So that is why I was continuously going back and forth trying to figure out the perfect size cutout. And here we are, as I said, on Christmas Eve. We're in our family matching PJs as usual. It's a staple for Christmas time, at least in my house. So we're getting Aiden involved in what is going on, even though he doesn't understand, but I'm sure he'll love to look back on these videos one day. You see that jumbo plate that I'm using to cut out and a circle? Oh my goodness.
Be you and me, decorating the tree from this Christmas song. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me, decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on.
Guys, so here are the doughs or the prints that I managed to get. I mean, these doughs are no way, shape, or form, perfectly rounded and stuff. But here we have his feet, or a foot rather, and a couple of hand prints.
No more.
here. So I'm going to just brush off the extra flour off them and then pop them in the oven for about an hour and then check them then to see how hard they have become. And this might take even up to 2 hours. Like the real test is when they're hard, and the real test is if you start seeing them get browned, you know, like burnt, then you know they're done. So let's get them in the oven. Oh, I need to poke a hole in them so that, you know, they can be hung at some point. Good morning, guys. It is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas from my house to yours. Of course, by the time you're seeing this video, Christmas has passed already, but I do hope you guys enjoyed family time for those who got to spend Christmas with their family, and for those who didn't, like myself. Well, I have my immediate family, but you know, extended family, because we're in a foreign country. All the love to you. I know the holiday season can be, you know, lonely, so I really hope you know, had the most of it and you were able to find cheer this holiday season. Currently it is almost 8 o'clock in the morning here. Adam and I have been up since 5:30 a.m. this morning cooking for Christmas dinner, because last year we didn't have Christmas because, funny story, I had a newborn and I wasn't feeling it, and Aiden had gas the entire day, so he was a very fussy baby. So Christmas last year was a hot mess. But we wouldn't have it any other way because he's only that young once. So this year I decided, you know, we wanted to have a little bit of family traditional Christmas. So we've been up from 5:30 cooking. Aiden woke up at around 7:30. He is having breakfast right now. I did make breakfast as well in everything that was going on with the cooking. And our traditional Christmas breakfast, I decided on the fly, is going to be sugar dumplings, or sugar fritters as they call it in Jamaica, scrambled eggs and sausage, like frankfurters, you know. I know, like I was looking up Christmas breakfast ideas online, and a lot of them were casseroles and stuff like that the Americans do, and I'm like, I was going to, but I'm like, no, I already have so much doing for Christmas dinner, so let's just keep it cultural to Jamaica and simple, you know. Some sugar fritters and eggs and franks sounds good for chaotic cooking day, you know what I mean? So that's what we'll be having every Christmas morning going forward. And I just hope I remember, I need to write down this breakfast thing on my list of Christmas traditions, because that's what I do. Like, I have a notepad in my phone with Christmas traditions and all of the Christmas traditions my little family of 3 has going on, you know. So that's what we're having. Aiden is having kind of like the same thing, but just the eggs. He's having green pancakes because the sugar dumplings are too hard for him. He only has 6 teeth, so it would be too hard for him. So he's having some pancakes. I'll show you in a minute. Some of the eggs and some fruit. So yeah. Is it yummy? Yummy, yummy, yummy. If you ask me what's the key to like surviving making Christmas like a Christmas spread for your family and not feeling stressed out, these are some of the things I would recommend having. So one, a baby that preferably sleeps through the night, because that way once you put them down to bed, you can know that you're waking up early in the morning to start cooking, and you don't have to have anxiety about them waking up, because you know they won't wake until the morning. So that's one thing that helped me. The second thing that helped me is having a baby that sleeps in their own bed, because I can imagine if Aiden was sleeping in our bed when we got up at 5:30, chances are he would have gotten up too at 5:30, because we're out of the bed, and our bedroom is closest to the kitchen, so the amount of noise that would be in the kitchen, you know, cooking and handling stuff, would probably wake him if he didn't wake up immediately. And then you know, so yeah, it makes it easier for you to just get up out of bed and start doing what you have to do and not disturb your child. And then the third thing is to get your partner in the kitchen to help you. Like, don't do it alone. I know as moms, we tend to want to do it all, but guess what? We were not made to do it all, you know. So get your spouse, your partner involved in the kitchen. If they aren't good cooks, give them simple stuff to do. Like maybe they can season the, well, this chicken, the meat should be seasoned from beforehand, but give them simple things to do, you know. Make the rice, make the vegetable, you know, just give them simple things to do if like cooking meat is out of their comfort zone. And another thing that helped me also is having an instant pot, especially if you're doing a meat that needs to be pressure cooked. The instant pot really helped, not only because it pressures the meat in a fast, you know, time, but also the instant pot has this function called delayed timer, where basically you can set up everything. So if you want your meat to be pressured, you can set it up beforehand and delay the time to start, so it starts cooking before you actually wake up early in the morning. So by the time you wake up early in the morning, it is done and you can just start with the other stuff on the menu. So in my case, I was doing jerk mutton and I was going to pressure cook the mutton. So what I did is, we were going to wake up at 5, so we set our alarms for 5 a.m. We didn't get out of bed until 5:30, but the point is, I set the instant pot to start cooking from 4 o'clock in the morning. So by the time we got up at 5, it would have been either almost done cooking or done cooking, because with the instant pot, when you have meat in there, it takes a little while to come to pressure before it actually starts pressuring. So it might take 15 minutes to build up before it actually starts pressuring. So, you know, when you just wake up at 5 a.m., then 15 minutes, then another maybe 20 minutes to pressure the meat, the time adds up when you could have been done with that. So I started the pressure cooker for 4 o'clock, so it came to pressure. And you know, when I was waking up, we were smelling it cooking out here, and I think that was a good strategy, and it really helped us to just come out here and just focus on everything else, because the meat was done, and because I was jerking it, I basically just popped it into the oven with the jerk sauce to let it, like, the jerk sauce simmer in it, and it was all done. So I highly recommend instant pots or anything like an instant pot for holiday season cooking, and definitely the delayed timer function. Chef's kiss. So yeah, this is the chicken all sauced up. I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for another little bit, and once this is done, Christmas dinner is done at 8 or a little bit past 8, like before 9 a.m. That's great. And for our breakfast spread, we have some eggs and franks, like I was saying, and some sugar dumpling or sugar fritters, as we call it. So I'm gonna eat. Adam is going to get Aiden dressed for the day in his Christmas pajamas while I eat. Then we'll switch back and get the dishes done, and then we'll move on to gift exchange, which is the high of Christmas morning, because Santa came.
Don't do that.
Look. Say hello. Look, presents under the tree. Do you see? Come. Let's see which one is for Aiden. Let's start with this one. This is says.
Bounty.
Wow.
I'm gonna read it himself. Read it, Ellen. Read it.
Say, to my wife.
To my wife. Ellen, we don't have a wife, so it's mine.
Okay. Yay! This one says. Aiden, look.
Open it.
Eh?
You can't read and
We want the film first. Yeah, it's yours.
Not a
first.
bicycle.
Aiden, are you sure? Aiden, look!
Aiden, present.
Aiden, what happened to your clothes, Bridget?
You got barefoot pants and
Aiden, look here. Aiden!
oh,
Yeah?
present spinners.
Hold on. Let mommy fix it.
Spin. And then spin like this.
Look.
Also.
Nice. Let mommy fix it. A gift that is addressed to my name. Now, guys, with me, I don't like random gifts. I like when I give people a wish list and they buy things from that wish list, specifically the ones that I name most important. So that is what I encouraged Adam to do. So this is a scale. Ask me why I requested a scale for Christmas, because your girl is on her fitness journey and I just want to be, you know, keeping check of things, and I do not have a scale. So, and I wanted one of those scales that not only measure like the body weight as it is, but like can give you information about like body mass, like your fat ratio, you know, stuff, the fancy scales. So that's what Adam got me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Santa.
So I'll report back how this scale works over time. It's a Japanese brand, so I'm going to have to figure it out, but I'll definitely report back. Gift that is addressed to Babe. Somebody named Babe. I'm guessing that is Adam.
So many babies in this house. Let's see. Oh, there are two things. I already know what this one is because of the branding.
This is something he requested.
Yes.
I guess you cannot disclose what it is.
I can. It's clothing that can fit in this box.
Clothes that can fit in a small box, you guys. But he specifically asked for that one, so
Yes.
I got it. And then this, I guess, is his bigger Christmas gift. Like,
Smaller.
well, it is a smaller one, but
Nice.
the the fancy one, I guess. Let's see if I did a good job, because God knows. Shopping for men?
Presentation is good.
Not my strong suit.
Oh, it's good. It's a wallet. Yes, it is. Wallet.
Yeah, wallet.
Feels nice. Good quality. Feels
It's a very expensive wallet, I can tell you that much.
Really?
Yes. And it has a coin purse around here, like actually a purse.
Wow. What if you full up this camera? Thank you.
You're welcome. Look.
What?
Woo.
So going it.
Coco.
And then coco da cake.
Yay!
Yeah, man, get it, man. Get it.
Nice boy, good job. Yay! And the last gift
So you gonna
under the tree. Enjoy your gift, my wife. Make wonderful reels.
reels.
Now, if you're a creator,
What?
Adam, are you getting me on that camera?
I'm getting you on the camera.
If you're a creator, then you know reels are a thing, you know.
Yes,
And I am working on boosting my creator business this year
Yes.
with reels because I'm already doing, you know, YouTube. So
White tea.
I asked for a ring light. So basically, it's like a phone stand with a ring light, so I can do reels and it not be pitch black or looking ugly because I can't get the lighting right. So this is or was a request of mine, and I'm happy to have it. Yeah, I'm going to set this up
good.
later. Yeah.
Bigger than I expected.
So let's jump to Aiden's last toy. Nice. This one. Nice.
What? Must take quick, man.
Nice. Nice.
What is the one there?
What about this one?
Could have the kick.
Look. Good job, Aiden.
Work down there, though. You find one button tonight, you know?
This one was definitely a hit though, guys. He loves this one. For sure. His favorite of all.
Spin, 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 spin.
Yeah.
Spin, 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 maybe spin, spin, spin. Actually, I can play them out of sort of not the same, but it's one good place. I press them though. Spin. Wow, that's a good one. It's a good spin. This hole.
Nice. You like it? Oh, thank you. You're welcome, sweetie pie. You like it? Oh, he loves it. You just gonna give me a hug, so? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Aiden. Aiden, I really did marry you for press. You hear? Oh, holy night, the stars are bright. That's the best we're gonna get today. Alright guys, so this is our setup for dinner. As I said, we are having Aiden's Japanese grandparents come over for dinner tonight. So this is the setup that we have. And this is our food. So we have the jerk mutton. We have escovitch fish. I promise you fish is under here, but I just put like the sauce that was soaking over it. We got our green salad, potato salad. This is what's left of the red velvet cake on Christmas Day, thanks to Adam. We have some sorrel, and I think, yeah, this is it. Oh, and our rice and peas. So that is the Christmas dinner spread. Guys, good morning. It is 2 days after Christmas, so Boxing Day has already gone. I'm not sure if everywhere in the world call it Boxing Day. Do they? In Jamaica, the day after Christmas is Boxing Day, a holiday. And so it is the 27th right now, so 2 days after Christmas, and I am just getting a chance to finish up this video. So the last time I spoke to you guys, I was talking about inviting Aiden's Japanese grandparents over here. And if you're a bit confused about why we call them Japanese grandparents, they're just grandparents figure for Aiden over here. Like, we're not related to them in any way, because you know we're not Japanese, right? But they have taken good care of us and Aiden since I've met them. So they what do we say, they inherited that title per se. So we had them over for dinner. It was a good time. They enjoyed the Jamaican cuisine. We chat, you know, and it was a good time. I must say that this Christmas has been one of the best Christmases I've had since becoming an adult and moving away from like my home, because usually Christmas time at my house is when all my sisters and nieces and nephews would come over and we eat and, you know, do all the things. And since moving to Japan almost 5 years now, that hasn't been happening. So, and then all of our Christmases so far up to now, they've been okay, but I feel as if this one, it was bomb. I don't know, like Aiden added to it, you know, because he's older, he can get into stuff, he can do stuff. Christmas 2019 was a good one also, because we traveled. We went on vacation to South Korea and we had a good time. And then 2020 wasn't so hot. 2021 we had a newborn, and then 2022 we're just kind of getting. Oh, 2020 we had Friendsmas, so I hosted Christmas dinner and a lot of our Jamaican friends came over, so that was a good Christmas too. And then 2021 we had a baby, didn't do Christmas at all. And then 2022 it was a nice family Christmas, and then I plan to do Friendsmas next year. I'm already on the planning for that. So yeah, it was a good Christmas. I hope that you also enjoyed your Christmas, and you know, you got to, you know, live up some holiday cheer stuff and eat all the good food and make all the family memories. I mean, it's very tough when you have to spend Christmas alone without family, or if you're struggling. So if that was you and you were, you know, finding it hard this holiday season, my heart goes out to you. So much hugs and kisses right now. But this is where I am going to end today's video and tell you a huge thank you for sticking through and, you know, being a part of the Nats fam community for 2022. I look forward to many more videos. I mean, at this point I would have loved to, I guess, create a business out of YouTube by now. It hasn't happened yet, but I'm not giving up because I really love making videos. So I'm going to continue to make videos, and then where it leads me, it leads me. So you'll be seeing my face all of next year just the same. I'm not going anywhere. And yeah, so I want to wish you a happy rest of the holidays. Happy new year when it comes, and I will see you in a brand new video one day in January. I'm not sure. I feel as if I'm going to take a little hiatus just to, you know, enjoy the rest of the holiday season. Adam is off of work for another another week or week and a half. So, you know, we want to enjoy family time and all of that. And then once all the holiday madness has blown over, then I'll be back to making content and sharing my life with you guys here. So enjoy the rest of your holidays. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed down below. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, like this video and wish me a Merry Christmas down in the comments, okay? So until next year, bye guys, Happy New Year.